praises of King Ndaba. Ndaba, son of Sonani, what wrong did he do, since the people are living with their herds, belonging to Mababela's people of the Gabela clan? He who hunted the forests until they murmured, until eventually they cried, "Enough, isn't it?" Today there's so much game that they snip off a tidbit of a daika for him, who when he lay down was the size of the rivers, who when he got up was the size of the mountains. Precious little amulet of our people, of the Kabasha's people, that continually lives in a towering rage, with his shield on his knees, watching over the herds of those who meditate evil against Mababela's people of the Gabela clan.
No,